So now she's back, and I'm about to put the pink in my hair.
Yeah, it took a lot of force to take off a small little cap from that.
Yeah.
But look at it. It looks like an orange crush. I told her to keep it like that.
But
it just looks so darn pretty. We'll do my hair after we get back from the rodeo.
Yep.
Because my hair... it will take longer.
You may want to put that on top of something. Okay.
Boom. Ingenuity. I can't tell that's a glove when I put it on it. Ingenuity, boy. Mix that hair.
Oh my gosh, smell.
Oh.
It smells like
Describe
bubble
it.
gum.
It smells like cherry bubble gum.
Yeah, it smells like cherry bubble gum. It smells like the
Good cherry bubble gum.
good cherry medicine.
What? Medicine's good. Look at this toothbrush. Look at this. Here, hold on, I'm gonna use you.
What are you doing?
Look at this. No, that's not like our hair. That's
Cat hair.
cat hair that I had to use this. I rubbed it on the cat's face.
I hope I don't need another.
Not with that, but it's a cat shampoo. It goes from a liquid to a shampoo. It's
foam.
this. It's this. It's the waterless cat shampoo. I know it looks like water, but once you do it, it turns into not water. Look. Not water.
Hey, stop!
I can use it for my cat. It'll work. Art. I put I put my symbol on your cat. I know, horrible, right? Or do you just not care what? Who owns your cat?
Do this.
Boom! Masterpiece. Yeah, I just did that so that we could. Oh my gosh! You already look like a cherry fusion.
I feel like I'm getting this on my neck.
What? No, you've got none on your neck so far.
Okay. Might just be the weird feeling on the glove.
Maybe. Tell me when you need.
No. That has paint on it.
I don't care.
No. Set it down.
I don't care.
No. Set it down.
Okay.
You is camera woman.
Thank you. Look at this. Look at this wonderfulness.
What are you doing?
Not talking about her. I'm talking about me.
Okay. That makes sense.
Oh, guys, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Ew. Look at it. Look at it. Woo. Sorry, I'm probably messing this whole video up. Commentary.
Yeah, you do commentary. I'm trying to concentrate.
Okay, if I were going to do commentary, I would have switched it around the other way and started doing.
You can look at the mirror and do it.
So, commentary with me. Okay, so that looks like a really weird snowman now. Don't judge me.
Not
But
judging.
we will be going to a rodeo.
Yeah, we're gonna be going to a rodeo tonight. I will not be filming it, just FYI.
Yeah, won't be filming it. Sorry. This is a thing that I have to check off of my bucket list. I always wanted to go to a rodeo, just always. You know.
Look at my dot.
Okay. Dork dot.
I did not mean to do that.
Yeah, you did. You totally did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did because you're a dork. That's what you meant to do because she's a dork. Okay, what do we want to talk about here?
Here, can you kind of scoot over a little bit?
I'm sad. Wait.
Hey, if you're gonna do commentary, look into the camera.
Okay, I'm sorry. That's just weird for me. Okay. Commentary, please. You're the owner of this channel. Me, you're the owner.
We already talked about how this smells like cherry bubblegum.
How long do you need to leave it in there for?
I don't know. Look on the directions. I just know to leave it in there for like 60 minutes, maybe.
That is also called an hour.
Well, you know what? I wanted to say 60 minutes.
Ooh, you got some on our sink.
What?
Bro!
Oh, poop.
Bro!
Clean up, crew. How did I do that?
Because you're dumb. Well, that made it
Smeared
worse.
You smeared it. Just wipe. Ew, no, that's disgusting.
I don't care, it's a bathroom sink.
It's okay if it's in the sink.
Yeah, because that can be washed, but outside the sink.
We can put bleach on it.
Fine.
Okay. How about...
Ah!
Hey, set that down. Set that down. Get a towel and put it over. Get a towel. No, not the white towel. That towel.
Nope.
And put it over. You're going to have to move the waterless shampoo. Move the waterless shampoo. Move the shampoo. Move all that. Okay. Boop. Now, can you lay this over it? I kind of can't.
I know you kind of can't. Sorry for the horrible recording right now. We're having some difficulties.
Here, there we go.
Boom!
Boom.
We did it.
Done did it. Look, and then I can put that right there.
Yeah, because look, that already has bleach on it. So
Mhm.
yeah, we've been in here for 6 minutes already.
6 minutes already. Holy crap.
I know, holy crap. Keep it PG.
I am keeping it PG.
No, you're not. I can't.
Gotta watch out for Mama because she won't keep it PG.
Speaking of what you said yesterday,
What?
I feel like I flipped it. Yeah, I flipped this camera upside down.
What'd you do? Flip it the other way.
Whoopsie, people. In the mix of everything, I got a little flipped. I flipped out. The buns.
How is the back looking?
Um,
Down here?
let's just say everywhere in the back.
Everywhere in the back?
Yep. I can just go like
I can't see.
here.
Not that much. How much did you put in my
I don't know. Just
Holy crap.
spread it out.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Be smart. Do your part.
Crap.
Crap.
You see it? Do you see it? You see it on my ear?
What?
You see that on my ear?
Yep. Oh my gosh.
What?
You're gonna look like Natsu.
Female version, I guess.
We need to. Oh my gosh. She's gonna look like Natsu. She's gonna.
Want me to cosplay Natsu?
Please.
You'll be Lucy. Nalu for life, guys.
Nalu for life.
It's been so long since I watched Fairy Tail. I consider it a crime against the fandom.
A crime against the fandom. Boom. Who's your favorite character?
Has to be Gray.
Yeah. He always has his shirt off.
I know, because that's how he's trained.
I know. Just so funny. She's like, and while you're in my room, get a shirt on. Freaking out though. You bunch of freeloaders. My favorite character, I don't know.
Look at that.
I guess it would.
That looks really cool.
Here, hold on. You need some dye.
Put it right there. No, not right there.
Yeah, you need it right there.
Right here?
Yeah, like, cause you can see, like.
Well, I need it right here. Look.
Right where? What? Oh.
Put a little bit.
Wasn't very centered. It didn't work. It's
Will it
hard
work?
to control this. Look at this. I'm gonna have this all over my hand by the end of this video. Bro, here, let me help.
Right there?
I'm not done yet. I can't see! You gotta...
Don't you dare get it on my camera. Okay.
There you go.
Oh, I can feel that against my scalp.
You can feel it against your scalp. You also need to get your sideburns.
I know.
Here.
No, stop.
She don't want no more dye.
Not right now. I'm trying to smear it out all in my hair. No. That is very toxic.
I know it's very toxic.
Which is why you should not do that.
Did you really think I was about to eat hair dye? Well, never judge a book by its cover, you dumbo. Hey! Power of fandoms. I almost squirted that right at the mirror. That would have been horrible.
it all over my scalp, but I don't care at this moment.
Ooh.
What?
I know what to be.
Hmm.
I not say.
You gonna be happy?
Nope.
That'll be so cute. You
Yep.
should be
Okay,
happy.
I'm being happy. I'm being happy. I have
Oh
to
my
be happy.
God.
I'm gonna have to be painted blue.
That's okay.
I'm gonna have to be painted light blue. I'm gonna have white wings on.
No, you can wear the bodysuit.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna have white wings on. Have to have his bag
Oh,
on.
that'd be so cute.
His little cape on. Little fairy's tail stamped near his butt. Little cat tail.
Oh, so
Little
cute.
ears. It's gonna be adorable.
If Ray wasn't on the show, Happy would definitely be my favorite character.
Happy is my favorite. It's him or Nalu. Well, not Nalu.
You're getting
And
your
Natsu.
Don't be that
I
close.
meant to say Natsu, okay? I'm washing
How about
this.
you record me instead of
Oh, your armpit.
whatever you're doing?
Well, then talk. If you're not gonna talk, then
Well,
talk.
I'm kind of trying to concentrate.
She's trying to concentrate.
I am.
She's trying to concentrate.
Yes, I am.
So you're trying to try,
I am trying to concentrate.
but you said you're trying to try to concentrate. So is she trying to try? What? That endless loophole. Just the doctor. It really doesn't matter who. Who am I going to
You will get me copyrighted, bro. I have 0 copyright strikes.
You need it right there.
Right where? Put a little bit.
I can't. Yeah, I think
That is way too...
I'm too short for this.
You are not even close. Did you put some on?
Yep.
Like in there?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Did I get it?
Yeah. And then you need right down your side bangs.
Put a little bit right there. What? It's on my ear. Yes, I know.
No, it's not on your ear.
What do you mean?
Nothing. You'll see it whenever we edit this video. Okay, move your finger if you want me to put some. Dang it, nothing came out.
Hold on. There, did I get it?
I can't. I think you did.
Look with your eyes, not with the camera.
Eyeballs. Yeah, I think you got it. I'm just gonna come around and insert. Okay.
Hold on. No, look. Hold on. Let me get down.
Yeah, I'm too
Look-
short for
look
this.
up here.
Yeah, I'm too short for this.
Do I have blonde over here?
No, I honestly don't see a lot.
Okay. How about, I see some right there. It's either blonde or a very big
Move
bald
your-
spot. Whoa, dude. See why?
Oopsie. It's too easy to squeeze.
Please don't put your leg on me.
I know where you also need to put some.
Where?
Right.
Do not get that on my ear, woman, I swear.
There.
Backwards or forwards?
Both. You already got it on your ear.
I know, well, I can't see.
You already got that on your ear.
I'll just rinse it off.
Yep, should work, hopefully. Maybe. I don't know.
No, turn on the light. I can't see. Please. Stop, you're gonna blow a fuse.
I'm gonna blow fuse.
Stop.
Okay, that was an accident. I've been here for 14 minutes and I'm 21 seconds because that's how we roll. Been here for 14 minutes and 34 seconds because that's how we roll.
Okay, what about, do you see any that I need to, right there?
Oh.
What? What?
The camera saw the fail. I tried to squirt it on it, but it just kind of decided to go back onto the bottle. And say, oh heck no. Almost cussed.
Good?
You're perfect. You're golden.
I've been doing this for 14 minutes. Unclick that. That'll be extremely loud.
That happened with my shoulder. We've been doing this for 15 minutes and 20 seconds now. Now it's 20 seconds.
Okay, did I get everywhere?
Walking around.
The Christmas tree? Look with your eyes, not the camera. Where did that go?
I went to your glove.
Good thing I caught that. What did I say about looking with your eyes, not with the camera?
I did look with my eyeballs.
Did you?
I just held it out there.
Yeah. Were you looking in the mirror?
No, I was looking right
Then
there.
how in the world did you get? Look at that. Look at that. No.
Perspective angle.
Look at this. Look at this. It's all over my glove.
Okay, not all of that was me. Some of that was you.
That could have killed me. I could have died of embarrassment.
Thank you.
'Cause I would have had pink all down here. Yes.
This line.
Yeah.
It's a tear mark. It's a tear that came from a temple. A temple tear.
Does this look?
It looks fine.
Okay, well, I'm just asking.
It's 4:21. 21. You know what? We could actually do my hair.
Look. Look at this.
We could
Inside out.
We could actually do my hair.
Here, touch the screen because it focuses. No, touch it. See, it focused a little bit. Okay.
Throw those away. Stop.
Hold on.
Okay.
Look at all this.
Okay, I was cleaning that off. Okay.
Yeah, so we will show you guys back whenever my hair is done and
dried.
Dried.
Mhm.
You'll get to see the final product.
Woo!
Woohoo!
Okay. Now time for our 40-minute wait to begin.
Yeah.
And goodbye.